Hello my friends and welcome back to my iDevice again. In this video, we are going to explore a really neat way to duplicate or clone apps and games on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you want to run multiple accounts for apps like WhatsApp, separate personal and work profiles, or just experiment with using the same app twice simultaneously, the method I will be showing you today has got you covered. Now, I should mention that officially Apple doesn't provide a built-in way to clone iOS apps. But there is a handy workaround that lets you create fully functional duplicates of any app installed on your device. It's pretty cool. Whether you are an app cloning pro or just curious about trying this out, you'll definitely want to stick around. A whole new world of app customization is just a few minutes away. Let's dive right in. Hello and welcome. First of all, I have to tell you an important thing. This tutorial has two parts. The first part of which is available on my Telegram channel right now. So if you want to know where we got the Silo tweak and install it, refer to the first part of this tutorial inside the Telegram channel. You can see the link of Telegram channel right now under this video, or you can find it in the description of this video, or even about of the channel. Also, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will answer you as soon as possible. So let's stick to the main part of tutorial. Go to home screen and open up Silo. Here, allow, accept. And guys, wait about 2 or 3 minutes to get all of the package and ready for the upgrade. So tap on package and start to download the package to upgrade your Silo. Here again, as you can see, just tap on it here, upgrade all, confirm. And in case guys you have a problem to download the package, just run a VPN, close the Silo just like me, and again open up it and try to download all of the packages again. For the packages which didn't download completely, just tap on recycle icon here just like me and try again to download them, and keep this process till the download all of the packages. So just check all of them. As you can see, I have 2 remains here. Just again tap on recycle and wait. And it's important guys to download all of them. Not even one package should be left, then wait until all of them are installed. Now tap on done and we are finished here. After that guys, go to sources and you can find Havoc resources as a default, and you can go here and try to find the Crane tweak, or just you can go to search and try to find the Crane tweak. As you can see guys, we have a 2 version of Crane here. The Crane Lite is the free version and you can just clone one app for it. I mean, for each app you can just have another one, and this version is a full version I always use, and you can clone and create profiles as many as you want. It doesn't have any limitation. Therefore, according to the explanation on my Telegram channel, download the desired version. After you have installed the Crane tweak, go to settings here and go to downside and try to find the Crane icon. Yeah, as you can see, this is a Crane. Just tap on it and open up it. And for the first time guys, when you have entered to Crane, you will see this page, and there is so many options to customization your Crane and your app. And here, as you can see, the shortcuts will actually works on the 3D touch, or even for the actually low devices, it works guys for you, no need to 3D touch. And we will just turn on this two toggle, launch app on container and expand shortcuts. And here guys, we need to actually tell you an important point. When you actually hold on an app on your actually home screen, just as you can see, we have just 3 options, and there is no option to actually clone it. And here guys, as you can see again, I have a profile here. Let me tell you what is the story. As you can see, this is for test, and I have a profile for this VPN, and I'm not able to have actually second one. So we will go to Crane again, and on the applications tab, try to find the app. You need to clone it and have actually duplicated profiles. So here we are. This is my app. I need to actually make second profiles or clone it. Now tap on add and write a name for your second app or second profile. For example, I will type my VPN name and type just 2 front of it. And here, as you can see guys, we have 4 options to customize any cloned app or profiles. Now I will tell you uses of all of them. This toggle enables separate notification handling for each app container or instance. When enabled, you can receive notifications specific to each container and control them individually. This toggle separates system accounts like Apple ID accessed by the app for each container or instance. It's useful for system apps like App Store and requires manually assigning Game Center accounts per container when enabled. This toggle prevents the app from deleting data of other containers when launched in the default container. It's required for some apps and utilize application hooks to protect container data integrity. And the last option, this toggle stops the app from performing sandbox lookups on itself to get real non-directed paths. It fixes issues with web browser being unable to save cookies in non-default containers. It utilizes applications hooks. Guys, they are some complicated. You don't need to focus on them. Just turn on the first 3. I mean separate notification registration, separate system accounts, and containers protection. So easy guys, just set these 3 options which are on the first. After adding your container and set your toggle, go to home page and just tap and hold on your app. And here guys, as you can see, we have a more option on each app. You can see these options only when you selected the program in Crane for cloning. Well, here is the second version that we cloned, and you can see when we will tap on it, you can see it looks like the program is new and has just been installed. Let me show you the profile section. Well, as you can see, I don't have any active users in this app, which means that the app is cloned and I have a new version, which is great guys. Totally, this tweak is amazing and it's like a magic. And here there is so many options here. I will tell you each one. Again, you don't need to go to Crane and go to application. Just when you tap on it, you can produce another version and clone another version, which is so easy. Just with tap on and hold on. Again, one more time. As you can see, you can select between your cloned app, default or new user. So guys, as you can see, this option here, we have run them before. Just tap on it, and here you can select and switch between your cloned app. So it was my default user. As you can see, again I have my user here, and it's so great. Just you can switch between your profiles and your actually cloned app, and whenever you want select default or new. And here I will test for WhatsApp for you. As you can see, I don't have option. Now we will go to Crane and we will go to actually application. Here we are in the main page, applications, and try to find the WhatsApp and add a clone option to this. Here I found that. Just tap on the app, you need to clone it, and on the containers tab write your actually name for your new actually cloned app, WhatsApp. As you can see, for example 2. Just tap on add and set your title here. As you can see, turn on it, and here we are. And go back to the actually main menu to use it. Yes. So for the first time I will go to my default WhatsApp and I will show you the test. As you can see, I have an active user here, and actually for actually next time I will show you the cloned app and cloned profiles. Here you can see my WhatsApp 2. I will select it and show you the test. Now tap on it. Wait, and you can see, guys, my WhatsApp is new and I can actually add actually new phone number and have a new profiles on actually WhatsApp. Actually, guys, this tweak, it's like a magic. It's great and wonderful. Whenever you want, just tap on new container and actually set up new programs, new profiles, which is great. Just launch, and as you can see, it's a new one. I mean the third one, which is great, guys. Now I will again switch to my default account, and you will see here I am on my account right now. Everything is actually perfect and works. Actually, this is so great and easy to use it. Just follow this video step by step, and whatever you want you can do with actually this tweak, and you can clone every app unlimited actually amount, which is great. And guys, there is another point. Whenever you want, you can restore the cloned programs or app and remove the extra versions, and I will actually show you how to do it. Go to Crane applications, find the actually cloned app. Let me show you. Yes, as you can see, I have 3 containers. Just tap on it and actually shift to downside and delete them. Now as you can see, I have just default programs. Let me test it for you. Here, when I tap on hold it, you can just see the actually defaulted option, which is great. So guys, I've covered everything, and all you need is here. And don't forget that, guys, if you have any question or any problem, just comment it. As soon as possible I will answer to you and solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.